Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm your tutor next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And today is, yes, Friday. So we need to be careful. But we also need to keep in mind that holiday season has started. Market is in holiday mode, okay, getting ready for Christmas and the new year. If you have been trading for 1 or 2 years, then you must be knowing that during this time of the year, during Christmas and New Year, we don't see much volatility in the market stays in a range, and this continues till the first week of January. After first week of January, slowly the institutions, or the retailers also start trading, and you see normal moves. But till then, market stays in a range. I have already uploaded in the free Telegram community in the morning. I have explained in detail. If you are part of it, then you must have read it. And if you're still not a part of the free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link is in the description. Be careful, lots of scams also going on in my name. So only join the group or the link in the description. Okay. Now let's talk about gold. So right now we can clearly see the market is sideways. Okay, market is trading in a range. But if we look at the overall chart, okay, then the overall chart is bullish. Means the overall trend is bullish, but right now the trend is sideways. So obviously it will be safer for us to be on the buy side only. But in a situation like this where volume is low, yes, you can look for trading opportunities both sides, but do not have high expectations because volume is low. And today is Friday. During the US session, if anything crazy happens, be careful. Things may go crazy also. You can see this is the overall chart of gold in front of us. And if you look at the market structure is more or less bullish. Okay, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. As I've already uploaded in the community also, that today we have two trading opportunities on the chart of gold. The first is around 4295, 4300. Yeah. The first level that you see here is the first level where you can look for a buy position. This market is sideways, this market is choppy. So we have a support here, and 4300 is also a round number. So we are expecting that in a low volume market like this, market should get a support. How much you can expect? 60 to 70 pips. Good enough. So if market takes support, we can look for a buy position. The second support is around 427072. The line at the bottom, yeah, this is the second support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position if market takes support. For example, if market surprises us during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure, market is selling at 4270 with a big red candle, use your common sense. Okay, we are discussing about the trading opportunities where the volume is low. But okay, market is, especially gold, is full of surprises. So if market takes support, we can look for buy around these two areas because they have a higher chance of giving us 70 to 80 pips. Okay. Now at the top, we have a selling opportunity on 66 to 74, 4366 to 74. The red box that you see here, yeah, we can look for a sell position because to break any level, market requires volume. So to break this particular level here, okay, market needs volume. And in a low volume market, we can expect the market will be reversing. So if market fails to cross it, if you see the market is coming down, we can look for a sell around 436674. Chances of market going above 436674 is less unless heavy volume comes. Okay, but uh, in this particular not time of the year, okay, usually we do not see big breakouts or big trend reversals, so we can expect that a selling opportunity may come around 436674. Okay, you can see I have also marked a dotted line here. This is a little high risk selling opportunity around 4142. So if market shows price rejection from above, as a day trader you can look for 40 to 50 pips around here as well. Okay, but this is a better level to sell in comparison to the dotted line 6674. And at the bottom around 42.95 4300 is the first support where you can look for a buy position, and 42.70 72 is the second level support where you can look for a buy position. We are considering these two levels just because of previous support around this area. Market is choppy, market is sideways. We are expecting get the previous levels to work. We are not using any particular tool or indicator here. Okay, we are just uh, deriving these levels, okay, with the help of okay price action. That's it. Nothing, okay, nothing fancy here. And if you do not find any proper trading opportunity, do not trade forcefully, because this is not the right time to take big risk, because volume is low. And when volume is low, either the market doesn't move or market may show some unexpected spikes. Okay, because low volume market also comes up with high risk, because it becomes easier to manipulate. So unexpected spikes may also come, so you need to be careful. Do not go for big lot sizes, big risk. Okay, nothing much to discuss here. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.